Hi, welcome to We Love Car Mods. This is George again, Scott's behind the camera. Today we're going to go over an installation of a rear bumper protector so that when you're putting someone's luggage in and out of the trunk of a 2018 Tiguan, it doesn't get scratched up. So over here I have the actual item itself. I have some waterless car wash to clean off the back bumper, and then I have a sprayer to use. So let's unbox this baby. Of course, it's taped on the inside as well, so it didn't slide out as I expected it to. So this is the rear piece. It's black instead of the OEM's aluminum or silver one, and it has the 3M tape on the back already. So for starters, for the install, I'm going to spray the trunk. Take a microfiber towel, wipe clean. Let the towel do the work so you don't scratch up the paint. And always flip sides after every use. Now that's clean, take out this rear piece. Align it to approximately where you'd want it to go. And actually, you'll notice that there's a center point here and there's a little arrow over here. Make sure it's where you want it. Peel off the 3M tape. And this was purchased off of eBay, so it's not the OEM one. But I like the black better, so I decided to go with this black one instead of an OEM one. Go ahead, take this piece, align it again. Once it's aligned, make sure it's hugging the curves of the rear bumper. And then push it down. Same thing on the other side. Make sure you push down. Very quick and easy install. Thanks for watching We Love Car Mods. Please subscribe.